Well, here today we've got a video of a little Bing Reverso. I wouldn't say that they were a strong runner, but nonetheless they go. I wouldn't like to try and drive it too much with it either, just quietly, but anyhow, it's in not bad condition for something that's over 100 years old, I think. A lot of much ado about nothing. It had a broken gauge glass amongst other problems, and I had to learn how to seal off gauge glass tube into and cut holes in that glass, which was quite a task and a learning experience, but nonetheless she's all a go now. It's got some relations here to work on as well. One smaller one, or two smaller ones, sorry, and then this one's somewhat larger. These other smaller ones have no gauge glass, and this one's the next size that has the gauge glass. I think there's 5 in this series. What else can I tell you? It's just running on hexamine tablets at the moment, and they will go the other way. That's why they get the name Reverso. Now I don't know if I can hold the camera and turn it over and get it to run the other way. However, with a bit of coaxing, it will run that way. Anyway, that'll do for now. That move is running into a lot of time, so I think I can. Alright, before we sign off with all that, I'll give Clinton a bit of a toot. There you go, Clinton, wake your sister up with that. Alright, bye now, people. Thanks for watching.